Hello everyone. So we're about to go outside the school. It's because we were asked to buy a fairy lights, and here they are. And after
lights, you know what it looks like to be a fairy lights. The lights with the wings.
And after this kanang little errands or short errands, wow, we're planning to asa gito? 1,000. Yeah, we're going to
1,000. 1,000.
I am looking forward kay kanang nice studied to. But
yeah, kasi history na bigyan ng thousands ang
Haboko. It's because Philippines is made up of 10,000 islands. Joke. Uy, grabe sa 10,000. Uy, nakagsak na ko to. Uy, grabe. Sorry ko na ako lumina sa AP. May galing ako gasok stud. Piskot. Joke ra. Uy, makari ako. Judge lagi mo. Uy, ha? We listen and we don't judge. We judge. Pero we listen and we judge.
No, pwede na
Pwede sa person. Yeah.
So, wala to. So, i-continue na akong vlog later. It's because hindi ako na mukha limot kasi nandito sa sunod. So, thank you, bye-bye.